Hi, Melissa. I'm with Acme Laptops. It's nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. I'm Dominic.
I've heard you've had some problems with your current supplier. I was wondering if I could ask you a few questions.
Yes, that'd be very nice.
Perfect. So tell me about how you use your laptops to develop software.
Well, we use them in our laptops in every aspect of our development.
And how satisfied are you with the performance of your machines?
They've been good up until now, but they're starting to get really slow.
Does that ever cause you to miss project deadlines?
Yes, we frequently miss deadlines because of the laptop issues.
So suppose you had the latest laptops with the newest processors. Would that help you?
That would really help ensure we didn't miss deadlines because of computer issues.
Okay, what kinds of laptops do you need?
Usually when we get a new project, we think about buying new equipment.
Are you concerned about the reliability?
It usually takes 6 weeks for us to get everything once we order it.
What impact could more reliable computers have on your company?
We get delayed every time we order new laptops.
Would you be interested in seeing our warranty information and 24-hour warranty on-site repair program?
We wouldn't lose any time because of the laptops, and that would give us some breathing room for when other issues occur.
So what is going on with your current warranty?
I was slightly concerned that it could lead to issues.
How satisfied are you with your current vendor?
Yes, we must complete this or we will lose all clients.
And how's that impacting your team?
I'm so sorry I messed up.
It's okay. Yes, we must complete.
I missed one of them.
That's fine.
Yeah.
He's not going to care. It's okay.
Okay.
So how is that impacting your team?
Yes, we must complete this or we will lose clients.
So suppose you had a 24-hour warranty guarantee on site program. Would that help ensure you never miss a project deadline?
Yes, I'd love to see that. If you can, quick, I have a meeting in 15 minutes.
How have the results been with your current laptops?
We choose based off the best price.
Okay, are there any parts of the system, process, etc. that you think could be improved?
Well, better communication would make things better and easier.
How often does that could cause delays?
Yes, sometimes there are misunderstandings.
And how much of savings would this mean for your company?
Yes, having 24-hour on-site repair would alleviate stress.
So do you have any objectives?
The price is too high in my opinion.
You think the price is too high? I know how you feel. A lot of my customers have felt the same way, but here is what they found. We are more expensive on per laptop basis. However, the price includes 2-hour callback, chat support, and on-site support within 24 hours of the first call, which will ensure you are never down due to laptop issues. You mentioned that you could lose up to $25,000 a day if you have laptop issues. Isn't the $10,000 you are paying for our laptops worth knowing that will never happen?
Yes, I guess you're right.
Does that address your concern?
It does.
Do you have any more questions or concerns?
Yes, I'm not confident your techs will be able to solve issues if my developers install viruses on their laptops.
Okay, so that's a common concern that I hear. Our techs have many certifications, which mean they must learn about the new malware removal techniques twice a year and get weekly reports so they're up to date with the most recent knowledge available to anyone, anywhere. Does that answer your question?
It does.
Do you have any more questions or concerns?
Yes, how do I know you will deliver the support you have promised?
So that's a great point that most of my customers ask me when they're looking at Acme. I forgot to put an answer. It's okay.
Improv.
I would be happy to have some other companies that use us give their feedback and show results that they've had after using us. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that sounds good.
I put together a slideshow that I should have shown you earlier. No, it's okay. It's okay. So Acme is the second largest office supply company in the Southeast. We've been in business since 1982, and it is family owned. So the problems that we discussed earlier, I understand, is that tracking orders is difficult. There's $1,800 annually on shipping, $1,200 shipping to people's homes, and the time spent on shipping. And then 30% of orders are special needs to get them no matter what. If you use us, Here's some of the benefits. Each attorney gets an ID, so tracking orders is very easy. Each attorney selects a shipping address, so there's no extra shipping costs. Delivery is free, and there's an online ordering portal. Here's some of the pricing. As you can see, Speedy Pens and Staples is the same, but the big difference is with the delivery. The delivery is free. Where you would find Staples, it costs $3,000, and there is 0 time wasted, where at Staples you would waste about 120 hours. Tracking orders is very easy with us. From the time you book or order your date, it'll come in about a week when you receive your order. So I think let's start today. Save on delivery costs, no more ordering hassles, ready to go in 1 week, and no more angry attorneys. How does that sound?
Sounds good. I think we're ready to go.
Perfect. Thank you so
Awesome.
much.
Thank you so much.